Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be changing the air filter on my Polaris 570. This air filter I'm putting on isn't the K&N air filter, but it is a K&N style air filter. Someone's riding. So let me go ahead and tell you the name of it, if I can pronounce it right. It is the Hifrom air filter, PL1003. So Hifrom replacement air filter for the Polaris. I got it off Amazon, and I was checking out the reviews, and not that everybody's is like this, I ain't trying to start nothing or whatever, but there was a lot more good reviews with this air filter, even though it is Chinese or whatever knees. And there was a lot better reviews on it and how it like basically lasted throughout time. So the other ones ended up looking like crap. So what we're gonna do is the seat does come up. I know my first review on this bike, I didn't know if the seat came up or not, but it does. You just rip it up. So you just grab it and pull up. Boom. See? Little tabs right there. Right there. Boom. The air filter's right there. So we'll set the seat off to the side. And we'll undo these clips. And I'm curious, obviously this is going to make some kind of difference, but I'm just not sure as to what kind of difference it's going to make. That's all an engine is basically a big air pump. So this is the stock filter, original filter, and it's really dusty. There's a lot of sand here in Florida, so we got a pre-filter on there. We'll take that off in a second, and I will use this massive flat head to take this off. All right, got him. All right, there it is. Look at that. Look at that. It's important to have a pre-filter. Let's see how important. It's pretty important. The only thing that's really going to change about using a quote-unquote high-performance air filter will be you just have to keep track of your filter. So I'll just check on it every time, or every other time I ride, or every third time I ride, and I'll just clean out the pre-filter. Obviously you're going to need some of this to oil the filter to make sure none of that sand or dust gets in there. So it's cool because it's a reusable air filter. Unclean it, wash it, whatever the case may be, and it'll look like that in there. So that'll help out a lot, especially with the intake diameter of the box, which is right there. That's my thumb. Not very big, so it was really restrictive. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna clean this pre-filter while I'm in here. Might as well clean it up, make it pretty. So I'll be right back. All right, so now that we got this thing much cleaner than it was, what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab the air filter that I'm going to be installing and make sure I use some of this oil oil, and yeah, depending on where you're from, and you're just gonna spray it down really well. You do not want that dirt and sand getting into your engine, your throttle body, any part of it, anywhere. Okay? This will allow the dirt to stick. Alright? So I'll go ahead and set this down right here, just like that. And because I'm paranoid, I will grab this and spray it pink. Look at that. It's all pink. Beautiful. All that oil. Now it's going to get all over my hands. So, I'll grab the filter. Just like this. And it's not that easy, guys and girls. Sucks, I have to reach over the four-wheeler to do this. There you go. And I'll just push it on. Come over here. Okay. Bam. Just like that. And yep, this is a pain in the butt. Actually, it probably goes. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put it up over here. I can't recall quite exactly how it was on the old one, but that would have been important to pay attention to while doing a video, right? Yerp. Alright. So, it's gonna go on like that. You see that? Boom. Grab this. Obviously, when you put it in there, you're gonna want this pointing straight up. That way you can tighten it. Beautiful. Alright, grab our flathead. Come over here. And of course it's all oily, so it's gonna slip off. What a pain in the butt, huh? So I'll hold it with one finger till it gets tight. And you're gonna want to make sure it's securely on there. Because you don't want to suck in all the crap from where you're riding. Whoop, slipped off. Alright. It's okay. It's all oily. It wants to be a douche. So we'll give it a second here. Rotate it. Alright, so it's on there now, so we'll go ahead and put everything back together. You've already seen it, you just reverse the process, and in a second I'll tell you if I notice a difference or not. But that's the Hifrom air filter. So I'll stop this here, put everything back together, take it for a ride, and see if I can tell a difference. Alright, be right back.